Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm Manu. I am super duper happy to participate in this YouTube hop which is organized by Craft Treat, and we have another pioneer, Dress My Craft, holding hands in this hop. So today we will be working with the scrapbook templates by Craft Treat. These do-it-yourself templates are designed to fulfill all the crafting needs of any do-it-yourself lover. This quality product from Craft Treat is actually an excellent choice of template wherein it becomes super easy for you to make an album in like no amount of time, because you already have a pre-made template, and all you need to do is, it is very easy to use, and all you need to do is just follow the instructions and the guide that is there on the template, and you will have a ready album in no time. So be it a professional or a beginner, this template is actually for everybody to use, and it is very easy to use. These templates, they come up in a lot of different forms. Like I have a double folio with me right now, and you also have many different forms of scrapbook templates that are available on the Craft Treat website. You can go and check it out. I have the link in the description box below. So today I have this double folio scrapbook template from Craft Treat, and I also have this iconic beauty paper bag by Dress My Craft to work with. So let's begin. So let's see what all this template has to offer us. This is a double folio template, and it's like when you will open it up, you will have space to put up the pictures or write down the messages and all those things. So what all the kit contains is explained over here in the number of pieces and everything, and this is how the final result will look like. So let's open it up. So once you open it up, you also see a step-by-step procedure. That is, you already have the pre-cut album forms with you. If you want to make it in a craft cardstock base, or you want to make it in a a black cardstock base, you have an option of doing so. All these are scored and marked, and all you need to do is just fold and all these fold, and then just put it across, put up your pattern paper and use it. So let's see the steps. First, you need to attach the pattern paper. You apply all the double-sided tapes to the flaps over here. Then you adhere the waterfall, use the water closures for the waterfalls, and it's pretty much like very basic steps. But the best thing is that these templates are like ready to do, and you really don't need to sit down and measure the measurements for making an album or making a folio like the double folio here. Everything is pre-cut, it is pre-measured for you. All you need to do is just fold, score. You don't even need to score, you just fold it and paste the template parts, and voila, you have a template, or you will have a ready scrapbook ready in no time. So what I have done is I separated the craft cardstock and the black cardstock. So this template basically gives you two sets to be made, one with the black cardstock and one with the craft cardstock. So I decided that I would be doing it up with the craft cardstock. So let me keep this aside. Okay, so the first thing that I need to do is, so this is my base, this is the biggest portion over here, and this is my base. So what I need to do is, just fold along the scored lines. So it will be something like this, right? So you'll open it, you will have the closures and pockets and everything over here. You will again open it, you will have a waterfall over here. So I'll just take this into consideration. So it's like when you will open this portion, there will be space for putting up, there will be a pocket page and you can put up some tags and anything. And then when you will open this up, this portion will again have the flaps and this portion will have the waterfall. So I think to be very easy to go along with everybody, we will do similar way, the way it is shown in the inspiration. But if you want to change, if you want to put up a pocket page here and if you want to put up a waterfall model over here, you are free to do it. But for the time being, for this hop, I'm going along with how it is shown in the inspirations. Okay, so the first step that I will be doing is, I would be like, I do have the measurements over here, but still for my own process of okay, so what I'll do is, I'll use this as my guide and I'll just write down the markings over here. So this is 4.5 into 6.5. So my pattern paper would be a little less than this, which is 4.25 into 6.25, and I need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I need like 7 pieces of it. So I'll just make sure that 2, and I'll just coordinate it as per the way I want it to be. So these are the tags. I'll just keep it for later use. This is again a tag. So this is this one. So this is 3.75 into 2.25. So there will be 2 pieces for this. So what I will do is, it will be 3.25 into 2 into 2 inches, like 2 pieces for this. I'll keep the tags aside for now because I will be doing it later. So this is this. I'll measure it as and when I will do it. So these these waterfall are like 4.25, so it will be 4 into 3.25. So I will cut how many pattern paper would be like 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So it will be like 12 pieces of this, and these are for the pockets over here. So these will be like 4 in number, like 4 pieces, which is 4.5 into 1.75. So this essentially is like, I'll not take the part where I will fold it. So this will be somewhere roughly around 3.5 into 1.75 is what it is written. So it will be 3.5 into 1.5, and I need 4 pieces for this. Okay. This is the closure, and these are the closure for the waterfalls. So let's choose the pattern papers that we would like to have a play with. So this is the iconic beauty paper pack from Dress My Craft, and I really love the the tones on the whole. Very subtle, very pinkish, very bluish, and it has tons of colors. So let's see what all pattern papers would be like. So like this is the first one. So on this, the front page, I would really like something that is very very flawless. So I think this will go well there. So I'm gonna cut this paper later on. this is very nice.